poppy seed cornbread muffins. Ingredients: vegetable cooking spray, 1 cup fat-free yogurt, and frac 12 cup egg substitute, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 12-ounce can poppy seed cake and pastry filling, 1 cup stone ground cornmeal, 1 cup all-purpose gluten-free flour mix, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and frac 12 teaspoon baking soda, and frac 12 teaspoon kosher or fine sea salt. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 superscript OF. Spray a 12-cup muffin tin with cooking spray or line with paper liners. In a small bowl, whisk together yogurt and next 3 ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together cornmeal and next 4 ingredients in a large bowl. Add wet ingredients and stir to combine. Divide batter between muffin cups. Bake 20 to 25 minutes or a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool in pan for 5 minutes before turning out onto a wire cooling rack. Nutrition: servings, 12. Serving size, 1 muffin. Calories, 217. Total fat, 4.7 grams. Sat fat, 0.1 grams. Cholesterol, 0.5 milligrams. Sodium, 329 milligrams. Potassium, 66 milligrams. Carbohydrate, 40 grams. Protein, 6 grams.